Hi guys, my name is Nick. Today I would like to show you how to rename a repository in GitHub. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. To rename a repository, you need to click on your profile icon at the top right and select your repositories from this list. Let's click here. Okay, and here you'll see a list with all your repositories in GitHub. So I have only one repository, my repository 1. Now select the necessary repository just by clicking on it. Now at the very top you can see a lot of tabs. Now I have to click on settings to change the name, and here at the very top you can see repository name. Now just delete your current name and type a new one and click on the rename button right here, renaming, and that's all. You can see that the name of this repository has changed, repository 2 and here too. So this is how you can easily rename a repository in GitHub. If you have any questions about GitHub, please leave your comments in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, bye bye.